World increasingly characterized by fast communication and digital interactions, the art of honest listening seems to be fading. Most times, people come into conversations with the intention to respond and defend themselves instead of actually listening and understanding. This can lead to misunderstandings, conflicts, and a sense of emotional disconnect among people. Listening to others express their feelings can bring relationships closer. When we listen to understand, we create a safe space for others to express themselves. This increases honest talks and empathy. Here are live experiences of how miscommunication almost ruined people's relationships.
A relationship on miscommunication. So me and my sister fiancé were existing. So I just have to tell her that your brother had an anger issue. But she misunderstood me and passed the wrong information to the brother. So my fiancé had to come in, start shouting at me that why will I say such a thing?
Is that some people take words so serious that you could say something very light, but some other person does not understand that word to be like that. So I've had an encounter that I spoke to somebody, and that word I didn't mean to be, and it wasn't an hurtful word, but the person misunderstood me, and that encounter almost breached the relationship I had with that person, and it actually took me a very long time.
Mastering the art of listening and understanding is not merely a skill, but a fundamental aspect of human connection and communication.
When we say empathy, what do we mean? Empathy means wearing the other person's shoe. Being able to ask yourself, if this was me, if this had happened to me, if I took this person's place, how would I feel? How would I react? First of all, everybody's feelings are valid. Like I tell people, if somebody says they are angry, it's not about whether the person has the right to be angry or not. The fact is the person is feeling angry. That's why the person says, I'm angry. So you have to validate the fact that yes, you are angry. Before you begin to analyze for the person, but should you be angry? So if you rush to take sides, like in Nigerian parents, you say sometimes the person who reports first, becomes the right person because the person has the opportunity to paint and embellish. And by the time the other person comes, you feel like, oh, from what I've heard already, So the first thing is do not take sides. The second thing is to listen objectively. Remove yourself from the situation. Do not attach sentiments. Just listen with a clear mind and be able to analyze. The third thing is let the people, both parties know that two wrongs will not make a right.
If we create an environment where we genuinely engage with others, we can deepen relationships and enrich our personal and professional lives.